All right, I'm excited for math today because you know what? Your brain is so smart, you already know how to do it. This is something we've been working on all year long, and today we're just reviewing what we already know for the first math lesson. So I wrote up here, pay attention to signs, because just like all year, I've reminded you to write your names on papers and push in chairs and pay attention to detail, because whenever we do our work, we want to do our best because that's what glorifies God. One of the things with doing our best is to paying attention to what the signs are. Now, what I mean by signs is whether it says addition or subtraction. That's the sign. That's the addition sign or the subtraction sign. So let's work these problems together, and then you get to go practice on your own. The first one, 10 plus 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. You're right. And then 1 plus nothing equals 1. Whoopsie. There we go. Nope. 1. Now let's look at the next one. 12 plus or minus? Minus. 12 minus 1. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. And then 1 minus nothing still equals 1. Whoops. There we go. And then let's see. 18 plus or minus 2? Plus. So the number should get bigger. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we need to put down our, you got it, our 0 and carry our 1. Very good. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our answer is 20. Very good. Let's look at our next one. 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? It's one of our doubles. Do you remember what it is? You're right. It's 14. 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? It's an easy one. Way to go. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Awesome job.